Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Marbella. We're in the Old Town, so we're going to have a little walk around. There's no structure to this video. We're just going to take a walk around, see what there is, and yeah, explore together. So let's go. So, down here's a nice little courtyard actually. I've been here before. But yeah, it's another little courtyard down here. Been watching the videos in sequence, as most probably they don't come out in sequence, but yeah, if you've been watching them in sequence, I still haven't found no food. I didn't go to that fish and chips. I haven't done it yet. I need to eat, but I'm probably going to wait now, get these next videos out of the way for you guys, and then go and find somewhere. So yeah, it's a little square here. We're going to take a little left up. So we're going to go up here. So look at this, we've got a lovely little restaurant. And we're going up here. Coffee shop. So yeah, Marbella Old Town is what I like. I like all these little quirky places. New clothes. We're going to keep going straight. Check this place out, very nice. So I think up here we had some churros, me and Sabrina. Was it up here? I don't think it was up here actually. I think it's around the corner. Maybe I'll have churros for lunch. It's quite late there, I think we've gone 4 o'clock now. I think. So yeah. So yeah.
Genau, das kann man nicht abziehen. Das muss man noch machen.
Very nice in there, very nice. So, if you've seen the videos that we did here before, we went up that stairs. I can't remember where it leads to, but I'm not going up no stairs today. No way. Let's get this nice little artsy picture here. Let's go all the way up. So there's the big square down here. We're going to go down to the left. Sorry. Just walked in. People filming. We all filming though, aren't we? So yeah, plenty of little restaurants around here on this square. I think we've got the churros around here. Let's go right. We'll go round. So yeah, check out the buildings. Orange trees, look at that. Yeah, this was the little area. There's a little place just down there on the left. We had some churros. Actually, there's not a bad place around here for a cup of coffee and stuff. Check this building. It's very cool. So yeah, down there you get a nice churro place. But we're going to keep going around. Sabrina was here before with me, and basically she went to one of these places, picked a lovely little dress. She thought, one of a kind, one of a kind. Got it from Marbella Old Town. And then I think we went straight to Spain a couple of weeks later, and she'd see them everywhere. One of a kind in Spain. Doesn't exist. Well, anyway, for these dresses maybe. That pigeon just went straight in my head. Ooh, look at the churros with chocolate. So yeah, this little bit here. We came here a little while back. Had a nice cup of coffee. This is the place we came into. It was really early when we came down there before. White and, what's that, gold? White and gold, white and gold. So, you go up here quickly, and you go up here and you can go left. What's that, 2 t-shirts for 25? Not too bad. Take yourself up to Marmaris, you get 3 t-shirts for £20. Or you can go to Alanya and see my boys at Helena Boutique, and you get different price items. I think it was like €5 some, £5 some. Some of them a little bit more. But yeah. Didn't want to walk up a hill. There's me walking straight up this hill. Guys, make sure you're subscribed please, because 90% of you guys who watch these videos are not subscribed. But thank you for watching anyway, because it means the world to us. But yeah, if you can subscribe, it'd be really great, because, you know, sponsors are looking for high subscribers because they think you need to have loads of subscribers to get views, which is not the case, but we need some sponsors, don't we? We've got the old tapas here. Thank you. Something smells really nice around here though. Looks like 2 beers, or 2 wines, and tapa for €8. I just paid 7, didn't I, for a Guinness? 7.40. I didn't get much of a Guinness though, did I? This one's beautiful. Check this place out. Lovely old buildings. And they've got a roof terrace as well. But guys, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next video.